Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to hide or show your blog post publishing date in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside the website builder in Hostinger and first click on blog. As you can see, these are my current blog posts. Now let's click on one of them. And this is my publishing date. To hide this option, just click on edit blog header. And under visibility, click on this little eye icon next to date published. As you can see, it is now hidden. And don't forget to update your website to reflect your changes online. And this is how to hide or show your publishing date in Hostinger Website Builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.